Looking for a car that won't let you down? Which vehicles are built to go the distance, delivering reliability and durability for years to come? Stick around as we count down 7 cars that stand the test of time. Your dream ride might just be on this list. Number 7. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner is a rugged mid-size SUV built for adventure enthusiasts. With a reputation for durability, this vehicle has been a favorite among drivers who value performance in tough conditions. The 4Runner's body-on-frame construction, powerful V6 engine, and excellent ground clearance make it a go-to option for off-road trips and challenging terrains. Beyond its off-road capabilities, the 4Runner is equipped with a spacious interior that comfortably accommodates passengers and cargo. It also boasts a range of modern safety and tech features, including Toyota's Safety Sense suite in newer models. With regular maintenance, the 4Runner often surpasses 300,000 miles, making it an ideal choice for those who need a tough and reliable SUV. Number 6. Lexus RX. If luxury and reliability are equally important, the Lexus RX is a standout choice. As a pioneer in the luxury crossover SUV market, the RX has remained a top contender for over 2 decades. Renowned for its refined interior, quiet cabin, and smooth ride, this vehicle offers premium comfort without compromising on durability. Lexus, a luxury arm of Toyota, carries forward the same commitment to quality and engineering. The RX has a reputation for requiring minimal maintenance, and its hybrid variants provide excellent fuel efficiency. Advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist add to the overall appeal. Many RX owners report their vehicles running seamlessly for over 200,000 miles, making it a solid investment in the luxury segment. Number 5. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is a mid-size SUV that excels in versatility, making it a perfect choice for families. With 3 rows of seating and ample cargo space, it comfortably accommodates passengers and their belongings. Beyond its practicality, the Highlander has earned a reputation for exceptional reliability, a hallmark of Toyota engineering. Powered by fuel-efficient engines and equipped with advanced safety features like Toyota Safety Sense, the Highlander is designed to provide a worry-free driving experience. Hybrid options make it even more appealing for those seeking eco-friendly alternatives without sacrificing performance. Properly maintained, the Highlander can easily last over 250,000 miles, proving to be a dependable companion for years. Number 4. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic is a compact car that has been a favorite among budget-conscious buyers for decades. Known for its excellent fuel economy and minimal maintenance costs, the Civic delivers tremendous value. Whether you're commuting in the city or embarking on long road trips, the Civic's efficient performance and comfortable interior make it a reliable choice. Over the years, Honda has continually improved the Civic's design, incorporating modern technology like touchscreen infotainment systems, driver assistance features, and enhanced connectivity options. Its robust build quality ensures longevity, with many Civics surpassing 200,000 miles or more with ease. This makes it an excellent choice for first-time car buyers and those seeking an economical, dependable ride. Number 3. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is another gem from Honda, often praised for its blend of comfort, performance, and reliability. As a mid-size sedan, the Accord offers a more spacious interior than its Civic sibling, making it a popular choice for families and professionals alike. Its well-tuned suspension and responsive engines provide a smooth, enjoyable driving experience. The Accord also stands out for its excellent safety ratings, with features like collision mitigation braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist included in recent models. Owners of the Honda Accord frequently report vehicles lasting over 300,000 miles, cementing its reputation as one of the most reliable sedans on the market. Its combination of affordability, low maintenance costs, and longevity makes it an unbeatable contender in the midsize sedan segment. Number 2. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is synonymous with dependability. As one of the best-selling cars globally, it has gained immense popularity for its affordability and practicality. The Corolla is particularly appreciated for its fuel efficiency, compact size, and low operating costs, making it a favorite among urban drivers and commuters. Despite its compact build, the Corolla offers a surprisingly spacious interior and a comfortable ride. Its strong track record for reliability means it often lasts well over 200,000 miles with minimal issues. Toyota's commitment to safety is evident in the Corolla, with advanced features like adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking included as standard in most recent models. Whether as a first car or a long-term daily driver, the Corolla continues to set the benchmark for compact cars. Number 1. Toyota Camry. Topping the list is the Toyota Camry, a car that has become the gold standard for reliability and durability. The Camry is celebrated for its smooth ride, comfortable interiors, and fuel-efficient engines. Its impeccable engineering ensures that it can handle high mileage with ease, often surpassing 300,000 miles when well-maintained. The Camry is also a leader in safety and technology, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and user-friendly infotainment systems. Hybrid versions of the Camry add to its appeal, providing excellent fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Its low maintenance costs and consistent performance make it a favorite among individuals and families seeking a dependable mid-size sedan. That wraps up our list of the most reliable cars on the road. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more top car picks and reviews. See you next time. Drive safe.